Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to automate the volume levels of each of the tracks in your GarageBand project. What this allows us to do is to fade things in and out. You can have the background music go down when you're speaking and then back up when you've finished. So I've got an example here of some audio that I've recorded quickly, just of me speaking, and I've got an MP3 of the Channel 9 music, and you can see already that this is probably not going to be well balanced, so I'll play it back. So you can see that, it sounds okay at the start, but as soon as the voice comes in, the music drowns it out. I don't want to turn the whole thing down for the whole project because I want to be able to start loud and change. So what you do is you hit the A button on your keyboard. Right, so I've just pressed the letter A and my screen has changed. I'll show you again. So that's normal, and that's after I've pressed A. A is for automation, right? And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the command key, and as you can see, my mouse cursor turns into a little pencil, right? This allows me to draw my automation or put dots into a graph. So I'm just going to click once in this part, and you can see that a little graph has appeared with a dot here. So what this means is that I can take this and I can, let's say, pick a point where I'm like, right, I want you to start fading there. And I get my pencil out by holding command. I'm going to draw another dot. Right, and this means that I can drag my volume level down. I can draw myself another two dots. There's a dot there and a dot there. I can drag it back up after it's done. So this allows me to have all of these different points where I can make the music go up and down in volume. So let's see what that sounds like. This is audio of me talking and saying things, but it might be a little bit too quiet because of the background music. Okay, I think I've spoken for long enough now. Thank you. Right. So that works like that, and that will work on each individual track that you choose. It can also work on things like your loops. So let's say, for example, if I want to put a loop in after that news music, I'm going to chuck that there. Okay, as you can see, I'm still in my automation mode, which means that I can't drag my loop out. So if you want to get out of that, hit A. Right, and now I can loop my loop. Okay, so I've got that there. I'm going to automate it again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit clever and do a bit of a cross-fading thing. So I've hit A, I've got my command button to get my pencil out. Click. And click. So I'm going to go, I'm going to bring that up there like that. Add another thing there, and this is just to demonstrate. You don't have to do it this way. So we go like that. Right, now I want to fade this music in while the other one is being faded out, and then you get this cool little cross-fading effect. Right, just to demonstrate. So I'm going to back it up to about here. A bit too quiet because of the background music. Okay, I think I've spoken for long enough now. Thank you. The volume of the music goes up. So if the line of the volume is all the way down the bottom, that means that it's muted that from that point. Okay. Obviously, you want to keep your volume levels appropriate. You don't want to go too much over plus 0 dB. You want to kind of keep your dB markings in the minuses unless you've got something really quiet. But experiment, have a play with it. Remember that if you make a mistake, Command Z is your friend. But yeah, really quickly, A to get into the automation view. Command gets your pencil out, and then you can click and draw dots. Also, if you want, you can make as many dots as you like, so you can draw the shapes of exactly how you want your volume to go. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.